Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm here today with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the all-new Janet collection Playful Pineapple Ponytails. Two different textures for you guys. The first one is in Squiggle in the color Copper. So these are new from Janet collection, and they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try them. And of course I said, heck yeah, you know I love these drawstring pineapple ponytail type hairstyles. This is my third review on hairstyles just like this. So this is what it looks like in the package. It's just a nice cute little package, and we are going to go ahead and unbox this baby and put it on our bun. This is what the texture looks like. It's like a really loose type of spiral curl. The other one that is in the style spiral, you'll see, is a lot tighter curl pattern than this one. This one's kind of loose. I actually like this one better. I'm curious to see what you guys think. Squiggle or spiral, let me know in the comments down below. But as you can see, it has the bang right here, which has a little clip on it that pops open and shut. You pop that onto your hair and close it, and it will stay in place. It also has two combs around the bun area, and it also has the drawstring. So I have my hair up in a bun already. I have, like I said, two other reviews that I've done with these pineapple type of hairstyles where I actually show you how to put your hair up in the bun. Very simple. All I did was straight out of the shower, put some leave-in conditioner in my hair and some gel, and brush it up into a bun on the top of my head. Self-explanatory. So I just fit that pineapple ponytail around my bun, and then I pull the drawstring tight, wrap the drawstring around the bun, and basically going up under that bang part. You do not really need to bobby pin it in place, the drawstring, as long as you put it up under those bangs and then clip the bangs in place. It's really not going to go anywhere, but if you want that extra security, you can bobby pin it in place. So as you can see, I'm just snapping the bangs down, and they fit right on top of my forehead. You know, they hang onto my forehead. The curls look nice and cute just hanging there. And as you can see, this is the curl pattern. Very loose, very kind of like wavy type of curly. And I love this color, which is copper. So I'm just going to scrunch that up, make it look nice and cute the way I want it to lay. To each his own. And guys, that's it. It literally takes about 15 minutes from having your hair down to having your hair up in this hairstyle. And this hairstyle can last you for days. All you have to do is wrap your hair up at night, or you can choose to remove the ponytail at night, and the next day put the ponytail back on, and it will last you all week. It really lasts me all week, and this is what it looks like right here. So after this one, we'll move on to the next one, which is in the texture spiral. So I'm back. No bun on. I just removed that one real quick, and now we're going to put on the spiral texture. As you can see, this one is a lot tighter of a curl pattern. This one is in the color Berg. It looks the same on the inside with the bangs, the two clips around the bun area, and the drawstring. So I'm going to do the exact same thing to this one. Self-explanatory because I just explained it. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this one. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love this hairstyle. I love how Janet collection has different type of colors and different type of textures. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments below, squiggle or spiral, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.